Imagine this scenario. You've forgotten your Gmail password, and to make matters worse, you don't have access to your recovery email or phone number. It sounds like a digital nightmare, right? Well, don't fret. There's a way to recover your Gmail account even in such a predicament. Step 1. Navigate to the Gmail sign-in page. Type in your email address and click on Forgot Password. Google will first try to walk you through the standard recovery process. But since you don't have access to your recovery email or phone number, we'll have to take a different route. Move to step 2. Here, Google will ask you to enter the last password you remember. This helps Google verify your identity. If you can't recall any previous passwords, fret not. Click on Try Another Way. Step 3 takes you to a security question. Google may ask you when you created your account or any other question you set up while creating the account. If you remember the answer, great. If not, again, click on Try Another Way. Step 4 involves Google trying to send a verification code to your secondary email. If you have that, it's your lucky day. If not, continue by clicking Try Another Way. Finally, we reach step 5. Here, Google asks you to provide an email you can check now. This doesn't have to be a Gmail address. Google will send a verification code to this email. Once you receive it, enter the code and voila, you're in. So to recap, the steps are 1. Navigate to the Gmail sign-in page and click on Forgot Password. 1. Try to remember the last password or click Try Another Way. 1. Answer the security question or click Try Another Way. 1. Allow Google to send a verification code to a secondary email or click Try Another Way. 1. Provide an email you can check now, receive the verification code, and enter it to recover your account. Remember, Google prioritizes account security. The process might take some time, but it will help ensure your account's safety. If you find this process a bit too complex, professional assistance is available. Check the video description or pinned comments for more information. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to recovering your Gmail account without a recovery email or phone number. If this video was helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, stay tech savvy.